I see you are here watching this video. Since you are already here, let me ask you a question. Do you want to make money online just by typing one word only? Yes? No? If not, let me take you in for a little secret. Yes, it is possible to earn just by typing one word only. You can get paid as much as $30 doing this again and again and again. You don't even need to have special skills in writing, nor do you need highly technical skills. You just have to type a word, and that's it. Do you want to know how? Then stay with me on this video and find out how you can make money just by typing one word only. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to know about. But for now, let's go back to the video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can make $25 to $30 for a single word you type. You can actually get paid by typing one single word over and over and over again. Just go to MotionDen.com and sign up. You can do this by either connecting your Facebook or Google account, or you can also manually type in your email address and other details. Once you've signed up, you can browse several templates which you can use to create a video just by typing one single word. You can create ads, gaming videos, YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Instagram videos, and so on and so forth. Just browse upon the templates available, choose the one you like, and type the word. And that's it! You'll have your video in less than 60 seconds. Now, let's skip all those different categories and focus on one specific service only. And that is how to make either intros or outros, which would allow you to earn as much as $25 to $30 for every single word you type. Just click intro or outro on the category, then type the word you like. Let's say, for example, I type the word saving. Click save, click make video, and the site will automatically generate the video for you. You can repeat this process over and over and over again. You can also edit the video generated from this site. Just click edit this video, and it will take you straight to the editing page and make adjustments that will fully suit your style. You can also add a logo or a text to fully customize the video. It's all up to you. Now, have you signed up for the site already? If not, what are you waiting for? Take out your laptop or computer, visit MotionDen.com and sign up. Follow the instructions we've provided so you can start your money-making journey just by typing a word. As easy as that. So go ahead. Now, before we go back to the video, if you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel for more learnings about making money online. Hit the like button if you are liking the video so far. Now, back to the video. Now that you have the video, you might notice that there is a watermark on the video. Just pay around $9 per video you generate and download. Now, before you panic and leave, just remember that you can charge as much as $30 per video. So, if you spend $9 to remove the watermark, you can still earn and make a profit of up to $21. Not bad for just typing a word, right? But if you start making more and more sales, you can also invest around $29 a month on an unlimited plan. This means you can make unlimited videos with no watermarks for only $29. There is no cap on how many videos you can make. You can make videos over and over and over again. Just type a word and a professional video will be ready for you in a matter of seconds. Are you willing to invest $9 or $29 a month just to make a profit of at least $21 per video? You should be. You won't even have to worry about learning how to make a video at all, nor will you have to worry about having super writing skills. The initial money you are going to spend will return to you in hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in sales. So, if you want to earn that much, also be willing to spend a few dollars to remove that watermark on your videos. For sure, clients and buyers will be flocking your way. Did you already have your video from MotionDen.com? Then let's go over how you can monetize that video. Go to Quickengigs.com, which is basically a site where you can sell these videos. This is quite similar to Fiverr, where many freelancers come to sell their services. There are many other websites available out there, but for this video, we will only focus on Quickengigs.com because they are very friendly for beginners. Quickengigs.com is not as competitive as Fiverr, but the demand for services is pretty high. This means that there are a lot of buyers, but there are not many sellers, so if you're just starting out on this, then this site is perfect for you. You can sell your services here. You can sell the video you've generated from MotionDen.com on here. Just find a client, set your price, then that's it. Some freelancers who sell intro and outros usually charge around $30 for it, so you can charge the same or even higher. Have you signed up to Quickengigs.com already? Remember that doing so is free. You won't have to pay just to sign up, and you don't need super writing skills or any other highly technical skills just to earn on this site. Just sell intros and outros you've made or created on MotionDen.com, just like we have mentioned in our video, and you're good to go. It is as easy as that. Do you think you can do it too? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Now, back to the video. Aside from Quickengigs.com, there are also other sites where you can sell the intro and outro videos you have created on MotionDen.com. One of these is peopleperhour.com. If you visit the site, you can see that several people are providing this service and they are all making hundreds, if not thousands of sales. And just like Quickengigs.com, this site is also not high on competition. There are lots of buyers, but not too many sellers, so this is highly recommended for beginners. There are also other freelancing websites out there that you can explore. We have freelancer.com, truelancer.com, guru.com, and just like I've mentioned earlier, fiverr.com. Although competitions are high in these sites, if you're willing to compete, then why not? You just have to market yourself well. You can even charge more if you like. The video you've made from MotionDen.com can let you earn thousands of dollars. I hope you've learned something from this video. I hope this gave you an idea on how you can make money online just by typing a word. And that's it. Just go to the sites I've mentioned in the video and follow the steps we have provided. Don't miss out on the chance to earn with just one word. You won't even have to learn specialized skills or go somewhere else. Just by typing a word in the comfort of your own home, you can already earn money. All online. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up and start your money-making journey right away. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.